Hi again. Today is Tuesday, January 26th. Hopefully this video finds you in good health and things are going well. For today's self-start, we have a couple of questions for you. Question number one says, the amount of money in my wallet went from $18.70 to $17.80. Did it increase or decrease? Well, hopefully by now you kind of know what money is, but I'm trying to relate decimals to money. So if I look at this, if I went from $18.70 to $17.80, I went down. So I decreased how much money was in my wallet. Solve the equation. 30 equals 0.75x. So to do this, I draw my fence. What I do to one side, I do to the other side. That 0.75 and that x, they are connected by multiplication. So the opposite would be to divide both sides by 0.75. So when I type in my calculator 30 times 0.75, I get an answer. X equals 22.5. How do you solve for percent increase or decrease? This is what we learned yesterday. So to solve for percent increase decrease, it is difference divided by original. There you go. There's a couple of Chuck Norris thoughts for you. As far as information goes, we are calling students in that have to get caught up on some work or that need some extra practice with equations. So we'll be calling them in today. As far as work competition, here's our results. So first hours took the lead last week, and if I look at it, it looks like that they kept that lead. First hour did not have any late or missing assignments last week. That was amazing. Nice job, first hour. The rest of the numbers look pretty good. Sixth hour, still kind of struggling a little bit. For today, we've done the review. We are going to continue practicing what we learned yesterday with percent increase and decrease. So we already talked about what formula you're going to use with difference divided by original. The one thing to remember is to find difference, remember, you need to subtract. So we're going to be subtracting some numbers before we divide by the original. And once you do that, you get a decimal. Make sure to turn it into a percent by multiplying by 100. So here we go. Last Taco Tuesday, I was able to eat 8 tacos. Today, I could only eat 6. So what's my percent decrease? Well, I need to find my difference. So I'm going to do 8 minus 6. And that's going to give me an answer of 2. Now I want to divide it by the original. The original, remember, is what happened first or originally, or maybe like the oldest number. And that was last Taco Tuesday when I was able to eat 8. So there's my original. So when I do 2 divided by 8, I'm going to get 0.25, which I can then multiply by 100. Now a student asked me yesterday, is there a different way that you could do it? And the answer is yes, a little bit. So once I get to this point right here, I could set it up as 2 over 8 equals my percent, which is x, over 100. And I could solve it just like what we've been practicing. 2 times 100 is 200. 200 divided by 8 is going to give me an answer of 25. Just remember that you put that percent sign because we're dealing with percent. For Christmas, Destiny's family got a puppy that weighed 13 pounds. This week, the puppy weighed 17.16 pounds. What is the percent increase of the puppy's weight? That's a big puppy. So I need to do my difference. So I need to do 17.16 minus the 13. When I do that, I'm going to get 4.16. I then need to use that number to divide with the original. The original is what happened first. It originally weighed 13 pounds, so that's what I'm going to be dividing by. So if I do 4.16 divided by 13, I'm going to get an answer of 0.32, which when I multiply by 100 gives me 32%. I could have also done 4.16 over 13, which is that right there, equals x over 100, and would have gotten the same answer. Okay, last January, a LeBron James rookie card sold for $150. This January, the same card sold for $275. What is the percent increase? So again, I need to find my difference first. So I'm going to do 275 minus 150, which gives me an answer of 125. And I need to divide that by the original. The original was this amount right here, what happened first. So I'm going to divide that by 150. When I do 125 divided by 150, I get kind of a long answer on that, and that's okay. I get 83. And then I times that by 100, and I get 83.33%. And there you go. For today's homework, we're just having students finish the assignment from yesterday. So those of you at home, if you've done the assignment already and turned it in, or you've got it and you're ready to have it turned in, you don't have any homework today. So if you have any questions, contact us, email, Canvas, however you choose to do it. And we'll see you back soon enough.